Hey everyone, I'm First Dollar Investor, and today I've prepared a truly life-changing video for you. There are people in the finance world making $10 million a year. Yes, you heard that right, $10 million, and today I'm going to show you the 15 highest paying jobs in the finance sector in complete detail. In this video, you'll learn the highest paying finance jobs, how to get these positions, what education you need. Watch until the end because I have a special 30-day action plan for you. Asterisk statistics section first. Look at these numbers. The median salary in finance is $76,850. That's 66% above the national average, and this sector is expected to grow by 16% in 2025. This means if you choose the right position, you'll not only make great money, but also have job security. Now, let's dive into these super lucrative careers. Asterisk section 1. Mega salary champions 1. Hedge fund manager number 1 on our list is hedge fund manager. These people are literally the kings of the finance world. Their average salary is $145,000. But folks, that's just the beginning with bonuses and profit sharing. Their annual earnings can range from $1 million to $10 million, or even more. The most successful hedge fund managers earn over $100 million a year. So what do these people do? They manage the money of ultra-wealthy individuals and institutions. They take high risks and chase high profits. They monitor markets 24/7 and develop complex financial strategies. How do you become one? First, a bachelor's in finance or economics, then 3 to 5 years of experience in investment banking. Get your CFA certification and either start working at a major hedge fund or launch your own fund. 2. Investment bankers. Second on our list are investment bankers. These people are the deal machines of the finance world. The salary range is very wide. Base salary ranges from $150,000 to $300,000. But the real money is in bonuses. With bonuses, they can earn up to $475,000. At VP level, it exceeds $500,000. What do? They organize mega corporate mergers, handle billion-dollar deals and IPOs. For example, when a company goes public, investment bankers manage the entire process. But beware, this job comes with a price. Working 80 to 100 hours per week is normal. The career path goes, you start as an analyst, then associate, VP, director, and finally managing director. Required skills: master Excel, financial modeling, presentation, preparation, and excellent communication skills. 3. Private equity partner. The company hunter. Third on our list are private equity professionals. These people are real company hunters at associate level. They earn $118,000 base salary. But at partner level, things go crazy. They can earn from $1 million to $5 million. Plus, there's the carried interest system. They get 20% profit sharing. How do they play this big game? They buy companies, develop them for 3 to 7 years, then sell them for multiple times their value. They manage billion-dollar portfolios. For example, they might buy a company for $100 million and sell it for $500 million. Career path: usually start from investment banking, then move to pay firms as associates. MBA is very important in this field. Asterisk 4. Quantitative analyst. The math genius. Fourth on our list are quants, quantitative analysts. These are math geniuses. Base salary ranges from $125,000 to $100,000. At senior level, it exceeds to $150,000. With AI expertise, it can even exceed $300,000. What do these people do? They predict markets using mathematical models, build algorithmic trading systems. They write million-dollar algorithms using programming languages like Python and C. This is the job of the future, because the finance world is becoming increasingly technological. AI, machine learning knowledge is worth its weight in gold. How do you become one? Graduate from departments like mathematics, physics, engineering, and learn programming. Preferably do your master's in mathematical finance or financial engineering. 5. CFO, the company king. Fifth on our list are CFOs, chief financial officers. These people are the financial kings of companies. Average salary ranges from $100,000 to $350,000, but in Fortune 500 companies, it can range from $1 million to $5 million. Plus equity compensation, unlimited potential with stock-based rewards. What does a CFO do? They determine the company's financial destiny, become the CEO's right hand, communicate directly with investors. They have a say in all the company's strategic decisions. Reaching this position takes 15 to 20 years. You start as a financial analyst, then controller, finance director, and finally CFO. MBA is almost mandatory. Asterisk section 2. High salary league. 5:30 to 8:36. Venture capitalist. The startup hunter. 5:30 to 6 o'clock. Sixth on our list are venture capitalists. These are startup hunters. Base salary ranges from $150,000 to $300,000. But on a successful exit, when the companies they invested in get sold, they can earn from $1 million to $10 million. What do? They invest in early-stage companies. For example, Uber's first investors made billions. They hunt for unicorns, companies that reach a $1 billion valuation. 7 to 10. Other high-paying positions. 7th are investment fund managers, $90, $160K base salary. Performance bonuses can sometimes be 50 to 100% of their salary. They also get bonuses based on the amount of assets they manage. 8th, Risk managers, $90 $150K. At senior level exceeds to $100,000. At chief risk officer level, reaches $300,000. This position gained tremendous importance, especially after the 2008 crisis. 9th, corporate controllers, $100 to $100K. In large companies can exceed to $150,000. 10th, M&A consultants, $120 to $100K base salary. They get 1 to 5% bonus on each deal. At boutique firms, it can exceed $300,000. Section 3, good salary category. Now, let's quickly look at the good salary category with 5 positions. 11, compliance officer, $8 to $150K. At chief compliance officer level, they earn an average of $155,000, especially high demand in crypto and fintech areas. 12, financial analyst, entry level $60 $85K. At senior level rises to $100 $150K. At VP level can exceed to $100,000. This job is where most people start their finance careers. 13, treasury analyst, $70 to $100K. At treasury director level exceeds $150,000. 14, tax director, $100 to $100K. In multinational companies can reach to $150,000. 15, financial planner, $60 $120K. Those working on fee-based system can exceed $150,000. In private wealth management, it can reach to $100,000. Education and career path. Now let me tell you how you can reach these jobs. Basic requirements: bachelor's degree in finance, economics, mathematics, or engineering. For masters, MBA is very important, especially top-tier MBA programs. MSF Master in Finance is also a good alternative. Certifications: CFA Chartered Financial Analyst is the most important. FRM Financial Risk Manager for risk area. CPA for accounting side. Language is very important. English must be perfect, if possible. A second foreign language. Factors affecting salary. Location is very important. New York offers the highest salaries. California is good for tech finance. Hybrid roles. Chicago is the trading center. London is the European hub. Sector differences. Highest are hedge funds, private equity, investment banking. Good level includes corporate finance, asset management. Stable level includes traditional banking, insurance. Company size. Large companies pay higher salaries, but competition is also very intense. Asterisk 2025 trends. New opportunities in 2025 in fintech, crypto, and blockchain specialists are highly sought after. ESG, environmental, social, governance specialists are also in high demand. Finance professionals who know AI and machine learning are worth their weight in gold. There are also great opportunities in RegTech, regulatory technology. 30-day action plan. I've prepared a special 30-day action plan for you. Now, let's find which career suits you. If you love math, go for quant or risk management. If you're money-focused, target investment banking, hedge fund, private equity. If you're analysis-minded, start with analyst roles. If you want leadership, follow the CFO or Crow track. If you're security-focused, choose compliance or risk. Management, week 1, research which area attracts you. Examine each position in detail. Week 2, follow professionals in that area on LinkedIn. Study their career paths. Week 3, research relevant certification programs. You can register for CFA. Week 4, attend your first networking event. Join finance communities, seminars, webinars. Asterisk if this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can discover all the secrets of the finance world together.